I just wanted to show you guys underneath that this is the from Quick Attach Skidsteer attachments, and I run it on 18 gallons per minute flow. I can run it forward and reverse, which really helps out a lot. And I run it through a lot of trees. Don't need the blade sharpened yet, but maybe in the near future. Looking good. Today my main thing was to check to make sure this pin is still in. This is good, as I don't want to be like Matt at Diesel Creek and throw this thing off, the blades off. And notice I've got it up against a tree. I've got my brake on, so this thing is not going to fall down and smash me. So let's see what we can get done. Hello again out there, you YouTube folks. Welcome back to Dunbar Land Farms. Today I'm going to be using the finish mower on part of this lot, but then I'll swing you around here. All of this down here is too rough for that, and too many limbs and whatnot. So for those of you that want to stick around and see me get out the BobCat Skidsteer with the Brushcutter, that's how I'm going to handle this. But right now, let's get started on with the tractor. Get started on the finish mower. Get this a little bit knocked out, then we'll put you on pause, go back and get the skid steer. Thanks again for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked the split screen on the tractor. I've got quite a lot more to brush hog in this front lot, but the video's running a little long, so I'll be putting that together in the follow-up video. Also, I wanted to mention, I think in the future I will be able to bush hog this with the tractor and bush hog rather than having to brush cut it. So we'll see you on the next one. And by the way, if you'd like to continue to watch these videos, please subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Please leave some comments. I'd like to know how you like this and how I'm doing.